Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this fault code here, sensor for referring pressure temperature. If your AC does not work, and it's just, even though you've topped up and it's still in the same boat, what you need to do is the sensor that's causing the whole issue. So to find this is an Audi A4 2013. On most cars it'll be on the AC, so you'll have to chase this up and find where the sensor is. However, this one, if you chase it around, it comes back around here, in there. That's where it is, inside the grille. So really, it's really easy if you're working on this Audi A4. Just these clips pop up and it's just there. Change it. I recommend getting OEM. If not, obviously you're gonna have trouble down the line again. So get that changed, and once you have, it's just a case of turn your aircon on, really. And I have realised on some Audis, VAG cars, Audi CS code VW, even though you've changed it, it may not work. So what you'll have to do is do a full scan and clear, or go into the module and do an active reset, and then it'll work. That's what I've realised on these VAG cars. But that's where it is, and that's how to fix it. And you can get the product, that item, that sensor on eBay. But yeah, you can take yours off, get it from that original code, then done and dusted.